Similar here with TLC pressure washing, and a lot of times you get this dirt that won't come off with bleach and just a soap, and you almost have to scrub it really hard. And it's a lot of it being right here by the main road. We've actually got a chemical that will actually cut that. Now, sometimes you can spray it on there, and you can see where I've done and where I haven't done. Sometimes you can spray it on there and use a scrub brush, and then sometimes it's just easier to use a actual rag and do it by hand. That's what we're doing today, is doing it by hand. Look at that dirt just rise right up off the sometimes it takes a good scrubbing. But this particular product will remove it. It's just a little bit of work, a little bit of time, and make sure it doesn't dry on it. So you want to do it in small sections so that it does not look at that, take that right off. Do it right here. Boom.